Good day everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. In this video, I'm going to talk about consumer staples ETF and some consumer staples name. We have got a good decent rally for most of them in 2022, and also 2023 was not a bad year for them so far. We are going to take a look because in some super investors portfolio we have seen they just increase their position instead of technology. Everyone is piling into technology, but lots of super investors they are still alert or cautious about the technology or FANG stocks. They are still in this inflationary situation, and they think that we need to have some defensive names. What do I mean by defensive names? I'm not meaning by military defensive. I'm just saying for consumer staple names which are dividend payers, and they are very, very good and good names for even recession period, just because people are using their stuff, grocery stuff, their usual goods and staples there. They don't need to stop washing themselves, for example. They need Procter Gamble to use the soap, shampoo, and those stuff. They need Coca-Cola, PepsiCo. They need beverage. They need all those grocery stuff. So that's why these companies are again coming back to lots of people, super investors portfolio. Warren Buffett is the famous one that he allocates some good names on it. So here is the XLP, which is a spider for consumer staple. And if you go to XLP holding, um, the first top five is going to be Procter Gamble 14%, PepsiCo 10%, Coca-Cola 10%, Costco 10%, and the fifth one is Mondelez, and the sixth one is Walmart, which is almost 5% of this holding. So we are going to do individually analysis for Procter Gamble, PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Costco, and Walmart. And especially Costco will have earning announcement for Costco is going to be March 2nd, and Walmart is going to be this Tuesday. It's going to be a very, very important date for Walmart. And let's see, this is the XLP chart. So XLP, we have like a nuts. Lots of volatility here. This is kind of like a forming reverse head and shoulder there. However, I'm just still looking for this area as a buying opportunity, 67 to 68. That's going to be good buying opportunity. Lots of pivotal points is there. So as you just zoom back here, here's the top of the market prior COVID crash. It's kind of like a similar to this W pattern formation. Just forming here another one, but not that beautiful like this. Here is going to be at the top of this W pattern, pullback test, breakout to the upside. So right now, top of this W pattern is going to be very, very good demand area or support there. As you see here, we just pierced down there and just reversing back up nicely and sharply. This is a V-shaped recovery. So if we go back down here to form this reverse head and shoulder, that's going to be a good spot for buy. So 67, 68. Right now we have spike down, bearish consolidation, spike down, bearish consolidation. If we get another spike down, bearish consolidation down, so that's going to be 4 drive or 3 drive pattern, which is one of the reversal pattern. And it's going to be exhaustive for lots of bears and bulls, but it's going to be good reversal pattern if it goes to the right level, coming along with another pattern as well. So moving on to, so right now I'm just waiting for this area. So this is my approach. The next one is going to be Procter Gamble. Yeah, so moving on to the Procter Gamble, here is the weekly chart momentum signals for buy. I got into this position. I announced it last week. I bought some Procter Gamble and I will add to my allocation if it goes down there. The same pattern is forming. However, we are seeing kind of like a bottoming formation here. I'm not sure if we get to 134. Right now we are at 140, but 134, that's going to be good, decent support. This is a nice trend line to the upside. Weekly chart. Everything is getting ready for another buy for Procter Gamble if it gets there. So make sure that just keep an eye on this stock, because that's going to be a good one. Nice reverse head and shoulder again. So this is probably the last buying opportunity in this pattern. If it doesn't hold up this pivotal point, that's going to be ugly, going all the way down to 100. I don't think so, because this stock has a nice movement to the upside. Even during bear market, this stock works very well. So moving on to daily chart, if it we all right, so here is the daily chart. We are seeing again in weekly and daily at the same time buying signal in MACD, stochastic. We are just to get a bold reversal here. Nice engulfing pattern on Friday. So still lots of resistance up there. So I'm not sure if we get there, but I got this one, and I'm hoping, to be honest, I know I'm in the position, but I hope to get back to this area, probably below 130 to 132. That's going to be last buying opportunity, and I will get back to this more. Dollar cost averaging is a good one here around this area, and if it goes coming down. So just keep this one in your radar, because that's going to be a good one. The next one is PepsiCo. Okay, so PepsiCo, going to weekly first, then daily. Here is the PepsiCo daily chart, weekly chart, sorry. You see, this is a very, very nice uptrend. PepsiCo just sometimes it's getting crazy, and sometimes it gives us multi-year buying opportunity. Look at that, look at that, and the next move after that. So it's getting back to the rally. Here is the top of the market. 2008, 2009 crash, Great Recession. Look what happened after that. So still we are in this whipsaw to the upside. I'm not buying this. I'm just waiting, to be honest, if it gives another like something like this signal or something crazy. So my fair value for this one is 159. Obviously, this is $20 more above my fair value, which I don't like to have stock in my portfolio when it is overvalued. If it is already in my investment portfolio, I wouldn't sell it, but if it is not, I'm not buying that one. I'm just waiting for get below these levels. So probably one of these levels is going to be my buying opportunity for the weekly chart. However, this stock is very, very strong for the weekly. For the daily, we got just this oversold condition. We got a bear reversal condition. So this one is forming a bullish consolidation. But if it fails to the downside, so that's going to be a good level for watch. So there are lots of pivotal points there. Again, my buying opportunity is going to be below my fair value, which is my first one is going to be 147, 150, and then 125, 130. That's going to be a good one. So keep an eye on this. If we get below these levels, it's going to be a buy. Don't hesitate that one. But right now, I'm just staying on the side and see how it goes with this stock. The next one is Coca-Cola. Coke is in Warren Buffett portfolio, so that's why everyone is kind of like a keep an eye on this. And let me just okay, so here's the Coke. Moving on to weekly first. All right, so here's the weekly chart. We got oversold condition, we got a reversal, something like this, but it's gonna be higher. This is a nice, to be honest, pattern. If you just zoom out, you will see Coke is in weekly chart. This is a nice trend to the upside. We had this COVID crash, multi-year buying opportunity. We had this 2007 to 2009 multi-year buying opportunity. We had this recently, October 2020. To be honest, I didn't get it. I didn't catch it, and it was my kind of my hard luck to get there, because look what happened after that. So this area is going to be multi-year buying opportunity. However, it doesn't have a high. So if you see, here's the low, here's the lower high, here's the lower high. But right now, Coke is sitting on this white range bar, middle of this candle, nice doji bar, stochastic signal for buy. I'm not getting into it, I'm just waiting for here. If it gets another downside move to here, to this area, that's going to be good buying opportunity based on the weekly chart. Probably not next week, but we will see. We will see how it goes. Here's the daily chart. Daily chart just shows kind of like a momentum shifting to the upside. So when you see weekly and daily momentum is shifting to the upside, it's kind of like a dual time frame confirmation that we are getting back to the bullish momentum. However, this ending diagonal, if it fails to the upside, that's going to be severe downside, and that's going to be a good buying opportunity. It happens a couple of times. Just watch this one in your radar. If Coke is getting back to 54 to 57, you can just buy probably 30 to 40% of your portfolio of your allocation. And this one, 51 to 52, I would be all in, to be honest. If not that 50%, I would be all in. So it's a good dividend payer stock. It's good defensive name, so you can just have it. I would rather to have PepsiCo, to be honest, instead of Coca-Cola. But PepsiCo, as you see, it is very, very overvalued right now. So the next one is Costco. Let's move on to the Costco. Costco weekly chart. We are seeing kind of like, I would say, topping formation for Costco. This is very, very great name. So I got into Costco somewhere around here. I remember that. Unfortunately, I sell it. Half of the my position somewhere around here, I should say above 500, which I made money, but right now it still is above 500. I'm just looking for downside. This is a good triangle to the downside because you see here's the high, here's the lower high, here's the lower high, three lower high in a row. This is a leapfrog pattern to the downside. If we get down there, so it's going to be the third time touching this support area, middle of this wide range bar, this consolidation, probably spiking down to this area, which is a nice pivotal point coming along with this trend line. So look at that, somewhere around 400. Costco again is giving us the earning call for March 2nd. So keep an eye on that. Probably Walmart earning is going to impact the Costco as well. If we have a bad number or something crazy with Walmart, people don't like it, it's going to impact the Costco as well. It's going to just spike it down to the downside. I don't know if that happens, but I wish if that happens because I want to get into this stock in a very, very valuable price because I know that this stock is not going anywhere. If this one gives us opportunity, even if you have it in your portfolio, don't worry about that. Just accumulate on dollar cost averaging here in these levels. It's going to be multi-year buying opportunity based on the weekly chart. Going to the daily chart. So daily chart, come on. All right, so daily chart. Again, this triangle is giving us lots of choppiness inside the market. We are seeing a lower high here. However, this is a nice selling signal is just happening here. Stochastic is losing momentum. MACD is losing the momentum. RSI losing the momentum. Probably we will see some kind of like a downside. However, this is a nice pull back to the downside, nice pivotal point. This could be ABC down to this area. So 464 to 480, that's going to be a good buying opportunity. First level, the second level is going to be here, somewhere around here. And that's going to be very, very nice potential buying opportunity. To be honest, the best potential buying opportunity is going to be in this consolidation, which is somewhere around 380 to 390. That's going to be great, great, great buying opportunity. I don't know if that happens, but who knows? Costco was over 600. Then, and 2 months after, it just came down to 400. So if that happens again, that's going to be great symmetry. So just want to show you something. If that happens, that would be great buying opportunity, and that would be the end of the correction. So, oops. Just let me just move this one. So if this one, we're gonna catch this one coming down here, the next move, it's gonna come even below this, right? So this symmetry can happen. Anything can happen, or some people are saying I should take this one, and I don't mind to take this one, and I just want to put this one down there. So this symmetry comes along with this consolidation area. So again, Costco is giving me kind of a selling signal. I don't know how far it's gonna get to the downside, but if it gets there, hey guys, just smash it, slap it to his face, and you will be winner over the time. The next one and last one is gonna be Walmart. Let's go to Walmart. Here's the Walmart weekly chart. Pretty good, solid gain to the upside. This is due to the earning last May, came up to the market. After that, look at that. What happened to the Walmart? Walmart probably will have a good revenue, I'm telling you, but inflation is gonna beat up the earning. So if sentiment goes to the negative side, probably we'll see another downside. So that's gonna be 20-30% downside. 108 is my level, guys. So 108, if I zoom back here, I show you. Here is the top of this pivotal point. We have a back test nicely going up. Still, we are in this trend line to the upside, but this could be a selling opportunity to here. So if we got this selling opportunity, retracement back up, couldn't get above this pivotal point. Look at this shooting star. This shooting star comes along with this pivotal point. We are getting back to middle of this shooting star, this shadow here. So if this is just a dead cat bounce or something, if we get another sell-off, 108 to 110, that's going to be your spot for buy. Moving on to the daily chart. The daily chart is here. Pretty choppy formation here again. So based on the daily chart, this is the earning call we got here. Nice demand area here. Nice demand area here. Worked very well. If we get there, it's gonna be another buying opportunity, but I think it's gonna just give us a bounce. If it gets deeper to this area, which is 108. So that's going to be a good buying opportunity. I would rather to have Costco over the Walmart in my portfolio, but if this one goes there sooner than Costco, I will get to this one as well. Okay, I think I covered everything. Hope you like this video. We'll see how earnings are coming in next 2 weeks. And that's it. Please subscribe to our channel if you like it. Smash the like button. Put your question down there in the comment box. I will answer that. Have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.